So do you want one scale that's going to let you solo over most rock and pop progressions in both minor and major? So in the next few minutes we're going to cover that. So what we're going to be using in today's lesson is the A natural minor, sometimes referred to as the Aeolian shape or the Aeolian mode. Basically it's a minor pentatonic plus a couple of extra notes. So I'll just show you the shape in a minute, how to move it, and then the trick to cover the relative major with the same fingering. So just a quick recap on the A minor pentatonic 5th fret. So here we go. So that's 6th string 5-8, 5th 5-7, 4th 5-7, 3rd 5-7, 2nd 5-8, 1st 5-8. So that's your A minor pentatonic. Now to make that Aeolian, we just need to add one note on a few of the strings. So 6th string becomes 5-7-8, 5th becomes 5-7-8, 4th becomes 5-7, the G, 3rd string 4-5-7, B string 5-6-8, and then the 1st string 5-7-8. So together. Around the same box, just using a couple of extra notes. So here's the A minor pentatonic with the extra note. Now, why does this matter? It covers most minor progressions, and the magic is the same shape also gives you the relative major as well. So there's a minor and relative major hack. All we need to do is think that the index finger is our minor root on the 6th string and our pinky is the relative major root. So in the case of A minor 5th fret, that's an A minor pentatonic. But if we root from the 8th fret, that's a C. That makes this C major pentatonic. Now, if I play an underlying chord, you'll hear the difference. So an A minor chord and I play the same scale, it will sound more minor. If I play a C major chord with the same scale, it will sound more major. So here it is. With the C major chord underneath. Now, we can move this anywhere. If you need a B minor, all we need to do is put our index finger on the 7th fret of the 6th string, and that gives us B minor pentatonic. And then if it's D, it's D major pentatonic, fret 10. So if we're rooting on the D note, it becomes a D major pentatonic. Now, the other thing I should have said with the this example, if we play the B Aeolian, that's B natural minor or B Aeolian. Now, if we do the same scale starting from the relative major, the D note, it becomes D major scale or D Ionian mode if we're talking in modes. D major scale or D Ionian. So again, it's just getting used to them two shapes. It gives you a couple of extra notes to mess around with when you're improvising. So let's do a little mini recap. So we've learnt the A minor on the 5th fret. We added the extra notes to make the Aeolian. And then if we start from the C, it becomes our C major pentatonic. And then if we add the notes we learned from the Aeolian mode, but starting from a C root, it becomes a C major scale or the C Ionian mode. Just give you a quick quick demo with the A minor chord vamping underneath and just messing around with that scale, and you'll hear the difference between if I've got an A minor chord as the underlying harmony or a C major chord. Same scale but sounds completely different. So here's the A minor. So same thing with the C major chord, here we go. If you want personalised feedback on your phrasing, fretboard navigation, I offer one-to-one online lessons via Microsoft Teams and Zoom. I do have limited spaces at the moment, so do message me to check availability. Link will be in the description below. Check that out. See you again in the next one.